करके देखिए अब हो रहा है क्या?
हो गया सर. Yes, yes, done. Children
हाँ
are very happy that Trivedi sir is with us, and it's a joint
ले ले.
venture of KVNRC and Kendriya Vidyalaya number one Kolaba, and it's a rare opportunity that you people are getting to have such a wonderful person to speak on Gandhiji, because I have heard the class, the way he takes on Gandhi and Gandhian philosophy. So instead of wasting much of our time, I would like the speaker to speak as much as he can, and if in between the meeting ends, we will join it again. Thank you, sir. Please, thanks for coming to the platform. Over to Trivedi, sir, please. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Dear students, once again good evening. Yes, you can go. Once again good evening. Today we are going to see a very important chapter of our syllabus, and that is Mahatma Gandhi and the nationalist movement. If you see the name of the chapter, that name itself is a good indicator of the content. Nationalist, one side it is a nationalist movement, and another side it is about Mahatma Gandhi, which means that without Gandhiji, nationalist movement cannot be referred. On the other hand, on the contrary, I would like to tell you, I would like to say that अगर गांधी जी नहीं होते तो शायद जो अंजाम इस नेशनलिस्ट मूवमेंट का हुआ और जैसे हुआ शायद वैसे नहीं हो पाता, बिकॉज गांधी जी वॉज अ वेरी वेरी यूनिक कैरेक्टर ऑफ आवर इंडियन हिस्ट्री, not only Indian history, but I will say world history. You can say about Gandhi ji ki you can love me, you can hate me, but you cannot ignore me. This saying is completely fits on this person कि आपको गांधी जी को, गांधी जी का रेफरेंस लिए बगैर आप राष्ट्रीय आंदोलन में आगे बढ़ ही नहीं सकते हो. If you say कि I will not give any importance to Gandhi ji, it is not possible. Such a charismatic leader, this half-naked fakir was. Do you know Gandhi ji was called as half-naked fakir by Winston Churchill, who was the Prime Minister of Britain at that time. Dear students, now first of all, I would like to throw light on the leadership of Gandhiji. What kind of leader Gandhi was when he entered, when he plunged into the freedom struggle. Dear students, 1915, 1915, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, when he came to India, and he visited the Congress session in India. At that time, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was a very big name. I will not go in detail where he born, how he was brought up, and how the good sanskaras of humanity, satya, ahimsa, truth, non-violence, वो उन पर कैसे हुए इसके डिटेल में नहीं जाऊंगा, शायद सबको पता ही. But his upbringing was made in such a way that slowly and steadily his character was shaping. After being lawyer, he went to South Africa. And more than 20 years, this person, after going there, he went there to fight one, that means one case in the court. But what he did there? when he saw the apartheid policy of the South African government, he plunged into the struggle, social struggle of the African people, and there, there his character was shaped. Raman, you please switch off your mic. Raman, am I audible to you, Raman? Switch off your mic. Okay, okay. Then, and everyone knows what happened in South Africa, how he was thrown out of the train, and what he did there, how the philosophy of Satyagraha emerged. And my dear students, when he came in India and when he visited first Congress session, I would like to tell 2 minute story to you. Very interesting. When he visited that Congress session, all the leaders in Congress, what kind of leaders were there in the Congress at that time? All the leaders were very, I will say, sophisticated kind of lawyers of India. That may be Gokhale, that may be Ranade died at that time, that may be Gokhale, that may be Dada Bhai Nauroji, that may be Firoz Shah Mehta, Telang, and so on. उसके पहले सुरेंद्रनाथ बैनर्जी, व्योमेश चंद्र बैनर्जी, around all they were lawyers, they were well educated people, and they were 100% they were serving for the country, but their service to nation was part-time. That was their part-time business. And they were very sophisticated. They used to wear very good kind of clothes, and very sophisticated English they used to speak, and timely service to the nation they used to give. Gandhiji visited. Gandhiji was called on the stage. Am I audible to you? Just raise your hands. Just raise your
Yes,
hands,
sir.
all of you, please. Just raise your hands like this. Am I audible to you? Just raise your hands. Don't speak.
Yes, sir.
Just raise your hands. Am I audible to you, ma'am? Just raise your hand.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Just I checked. Thank you. Dear students, Gandhiji was called on the stage. And do you know what happened over there? When Gandhiji was sitting there and watching the proceedings of the Congress, after some time, after 1 or 2 hours, he came out of the stage and he took one round of the ground. Very huge ground was there. And do you know what was the scenario? What was the scene there? The scene was कांग्रेस का अधिवेशन होता तो खाने पीने का बहुत अच्छा अरेंजमेंट रहता था, मंडप बहुत सुंदर होता था, सारी चीजें बहुत सुंदर होती थी बिल्कुल एकदम, और लोग डट के खाते पीते भी थे. लेकिन पता है आपको, खाने पीने के बाद इनपुट के बाद आउटपुट भी होता है. आउटपुट की कोई व्यवस्था नहीं थी. नो टॉयलेट, लैट्रीन, they used to go on the outskirts near that ground only. What Gandhiji did, I want to tell you how Gandhiji came up as a leader. Gandhiji, what he did, he took broom in his hand. He took broom in his hand and he started brooming the ground. गंदगी को साफ करना गांधी जी ने शुरू किया, और ये सारी खुशफुसाहट धीरे धीरे स्टेज पर जाके पहुंची. और स्टेज पर तो बहुत बड़े बड़े वकील, कांग्रेस के नेता फिरोज शाह मेहता, दादा भाई नौरोजी, गोखले, एंड सो ऑन, ऑल दे वर सिटिंग देयर एंड दे हर्ड कि व्हाट दिस मैन इज डूइंग, व्हाट दिस मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी इज डूइंग. और सबको शर्म लगी, है ना, क्योंकि गांधी जी स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम द बेसिक्स. सबको शर्म आई, एंड सारे नेता तो नहीं, but many of them they joined Gandhiji, and this was the entry of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi in the Congress. 15, 16, 17, 18, he was continuously visiting the Congress sessions. And you know, in 1918, First World War ended. Okay, at that time, Britishers had given us so many assurances which were not fulfilled. 1919, you know, 13th April 1919, Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place. Okay, and hundreds of people, Indian innocent people, they died. And then Congress announced inquiry into the inquiry commission. Leader was Gandhiji. Okay. And what happened after that? That is the story. Dear students, but when our demands were not fulfilled after 1918, after war, First World War, ending of World War, then slowly Congress session was organized, first in Calcutta, second in Nagpur. And in this session of Congress, Indian National Congress decided, Indian National Congress decided to launch one movement. Indian National Congress decided to launch one movement. And in 1919 Nagpur session of Congress, it was decided that Gandhiji was made the leader and he was given all the rights to frame the movement. And for the first time in the life of Congress, Congress decided to launch one movement against Britishers, and that movement was named as Non-Cooperation Movement. Movement was named as Non-Cooperation Movement. Can anybody of you tell me? This is free till 10 minutes. मैडम ये क्या आ रहा है? 10 मिनट के बाद ये खत्म हो जाएगी, फिर से ज्वाइन करना पड़ेगा आप लोगों को, है ना? ये आ रहा है कि 10 मिनट के बाद मीटिंग खत्म हो जाएगी. हेलो, फिर से ज्वाइन करेंगे, फिर से ज्वाइन करेंगे. Again we will join, no problem. Okay, please let me continue. Then this movement was named as Non-Cooperation Movement because Gandhiji was knowing that it is basic principle of the humanity. That may be your school, that may be your college, that may be your home, that may be anywhere. Without each other's cooperation, no work can be done. And this formula he applied on national level. Gandhiji decided to have no cooperation. Gandhiji decided to extend no cooperation to British government hereafter, and that was named, the movement was named as a Non-Cooperation Movement, which was about to begin on 1st August 1920. Very unfortunately, प्लीज जरा ध्यान देना जो मैं बता रहा हूं उस पर. Very unfortunately, on 1st August, one very untoward incident happened. And do you know what was that incident? The stalwart of Indian National Congress, who was very big leader of Congress, Lokmanya Tilak, he died, and it was his funeral. तो ऐसा बोलते हैं, ऐसा कहते हैं कि एक दिशा में जब हिंदुस्तान का सूर्य अस्ताचल को जा रहा था, सूर्य अस्त हो रहा था पश्चिम की ओर, तभी पूरब की ओर हल्की सी किरणें दिखाई देने लगी. और वो किरणें थी गांधी जी के रूप में, मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी के रूप में. गांधी जी 1 अगस्त को तिलक जी का निधन हुआ था. उसके 15-20 दिन पहले तिलक जी से जाके मिले थे और उनको पूछा था कि आई एम गोइंग टू लॉन्च वन मूवमेंट फॉर द मूवमेंट इन इंडिया, पब्लिक मूवमेंट इन इंडिया, वुड यू सपोर्ट मी? तिलक जी का आंसर था, इफ ऑल पीपल ऑफ इंडिया दे आर बिहाइंड यू, सॉरी, लोकमान्य तिलक विल बी आल्सो विथ यू. This was his answer. Unfortunately, he died and movement started. My dear students, what was this movement? कोई भी मूवमेंट जब गांधी जी स्टार्ट करते थे तो उसका एक बहुत सही सही प्लानिंग करते थे. गांधी जी planned for this movement, and they were some 8 main points of this program. Some points were positive points, some points were negative points. Now, what was those positive points? Positive points क्या थे इस मूवमेंट के? Dear students, Gandhiji decided, he asked all the people of India, all the sections of the society. He asked the lawyers to leave the courts. He asked students to leave the government schools and colleges. He asked the commoners, the public, the traders, peasants, not to give the government taxes. Not to give the government taxes. That means one side there were so many no's, negative program, and another side there were so many yes. And what was that? When students will leave schools, colleges and universities, what they will do? उनका फ्यूचर खराब हो जाएगा. And that's why Indian leaders, they were encouraged to open Indian schools, Indian colleges, and many such Indian schools and colleges were opened. Indian courts were set up. In the villages also, Indian courts were set up. When we banned the foreign, that means commodities coming from other countries, especially from England, Swadeshi was encouraged, and many Swadeshi things were encouraged and introduced in Indian market. And my dear students, that means one side this movement was that means एक साइड में अंग्रेजों का गला दबा रहा था, अंग्रेज सरकार की नाक में नकेल डाल रहा था नोज के माध्यम से, और यस के माध्यम से यहाँ पर भारत में स्कूलें शुरू हो रही थी, छोटे मोटे कोर्ट्स बनाए जा रहे थे, स्वदेशी चीजों की का उत्पादन हो रहा था. दैट मीन्स दिस मूवमेंट प्रूव्ड वेरी एक्सीलेंट फॉर इंडियन सोसाइटी. 1920 गया, 1921 गया, 1922 आया. क्या हुआ तुमको पता है? क्योंकि हमको ये 1 से 1.5 घंटे में पीरियड खत्म करना है ना, तो वेरी सॉरी, आई विल हैव टू रन लिटिल फास्टर. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, 1922 movement was going on very nicely. All the leaders of Congress, including common people who had joined the movement, all were very happy. But Gandhiji's principle was based on the Gandhiji's movement was based on the principle of satyagraha, where truth and non-violence was very important. Gandhiji has ordered his all the disciples not to, at any cost, no one will use make any violence. But very untoward incidents happened in Chauri Chaura, you know, that is in Uttar Pradesh. 22 police walas were killed by the peaceful protesters. अब वो बात अलग है कि पुलिस वालाज provoked them. पहले क्या हुआ, पुलिस वाले पीसफुल प्रोटेस्टर्स पर हमला कर रहे थे, उनपे दे ओपन लाठी चार्जेस ऑन द पीसफुल प्रोटेस्टर्स. बट सारे के सारे यहाँ पे अपन इतने सारे लोग बैठे हुए, सारे के सारे थोड़ी ना अहिंसा के पुजारी है अपन, है ना? तो भाई हम में अपने में से किसी को तो गुस्सा आएगा, तो उनमें से भी किसी को गुस्सा आया. एंड व्हाट हैपेंड अर्लियर, पुलिस वालाज वर बिहाइंड एंड ऑल द प्रोटेस्टर्स वर प्रोटेस्टिंग, एंड आगे प्रोटेस्टर्स भाग रहे थे, पीछे पुलिस वाले भाग रहे थे, सब स्थिति बदल गई. अब क्या हुआ, लोगों को गुस्सा आया और लोग पुलिस के पीछे भागने लगे और पुलिस वाले जाके पुलिस स्टेशन में घुस गए. लोगों का गुस्सा 7वें आसमान पे चढ़ गया था, क्योंकि कुछ लोग मर गए थे लाठीचार्ज में. उन्होंने घेराव डाल दिया पूरे पुलिस स्टेशन को, एंड एंटायर पुलिस चौकी वाज बर्न्ड. पूरी पुलिस चौकी को आग लगा दी गई. 22 पुलिस वाले मर गए. गांधी जी को खबर मिली. गांधी जी became very unhappy and he said this is against the principle of satyagraha, and he stopped the movement. All young brigade who were supporting Gandhi ji, including Pandit Nehru, हम सबको पता है वो गांधी जी के बहुत अच्छे चेले थे, including Pandit Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Lala Lajpat Rai, they opposed Gandhi ji. What is this? In such a big movement, if such one unhappy, untoward incident is taking place, it is not new, it is not surprising. Then why should we stop the movement? हमने ये movement stop नहीं करना चाहिए. Okay, but Gandhi ji was adamant. गांधी जी ऐसे होता है ना कि जब बूढ़े लोग होते हैं तो वो कभी कभी बहुत ज्यादा अडामेंट हो जाते हैं, है ना? तो उनमें से गांधी जी भी एक थे. ये उनके चरित्र का एक थोड़ा सा दोष था. तो गांधी जी said no, movement will be stopped, and that's why they went against Gandhi ji. Movement was stopped. They went against Gandhi ji. Now what were the achievement of this movement? Can anybody of you tell me? Raising your hands. What were the achievements of the movement? देखो ये इंटरनेट, सॉरी, ये अगर जैसे ही अगर मीटिंग खत्म हो गई तो फटाफट ज्वाइन कर लेना, मैं भी इधर से ज्वाइन करूंगा, ठीक है? ये किसी भी खत्म हो सकता है क्योंकि फ्री का कनेक्शन है ये. मैंने पैसा नहीं खर्चा किया उसके लिए शायद. ठीक है, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं बच्चों। तो व्हाट आई वांट टू से कि क्या नेहा would you like to tell what were the achievements of the movement?
Yes, sir. First of all, we started Swadeshi movement, means like self-reliant, which is nowadays in very much popular, that self-reliance is very much important. So we started the self-reliance, that we should use our goods itself, not means import from Britain or any other country.
Any other achievement? Very good. Any other achievement? I would like to tell you what was other achievement. Other achievement was for the first time ऐसी कोई मूवमेंट कांग्रेस के द्वारा लॉन्च हुई थी और लोग उसमें पार्टिसिपेट हुए थे। अदरवाइज अब तक क्या होता था, कांग्रेस का अधिवेशन होता था, उसमें 5-50 लोग पूरे ऑल इंडिया से आते थे और वो अधिवेशन खत्म होने के बाद कांग्रेस अपना जो पुलिंदा था अपने मांगों का वो ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट को भेजती थी और पार्लियामेंट उसको कचरे के डब्बे में डाल देती थी। पहली बार अंग्रेजों ने पूरे भारतीयों का दमखम देखा। ओके, तो कुछ लीडर